Most people over 60 think walking keeps their balance strong, but research says they're wrong. Let me show you the exercises that work 10 times better. What if your ability to stand strong, walk confidently, and stay independent had nothing to do with age at all? It sounds unbelievable, but new research from 2023 has completely rewritten what we thought we knew about balance after 60. It's not just weak legs. It's not just aging. The real issue is that we stop challenging our balance. We stop moving in the ways that keep us stable, sharp, and confident. This video isn't just about avoiding falls. It's about reclaiming control over your body. Because balance is not something you lose forever. It's a skill you can retrain, rebuild, and master at any age if you're doing the right movements. And here's the huge discovery. In a major NIH-backed study, researchers found that most common exercises don't actually protect older adults from falls, but 6 specific functional movements do. Movements that don't just keep you safe, they prepare your body for real life. And hardly anyone is talking about them. So if staying independent, injury-free, and confident matters to you, don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 6 movements rebuild balance and exactly how to do them safely at home. Before we dive in, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. Sidestepping. Whenever you slip or lose balance, the body naturally tries to take a quick step to the side. But what if your body forgets how to do that? That's why sidestepping is one of the most important but most ignored movements after 60. We walk forward, sometimes backward, but rarely sideways. Yet most falls don't happen in straight lines. They happen in unexpected directions. Without practice, the body freezes, and that's when falls occur. Sidestepping strengthens the hips, stabilizes the knees, boosts coordination, and retrains your brain to respond quickly instead of panicking. Research shows it can reduce fall risk by more than 20%. To do it, stand near support, step to the side, bring your other foot in, and repeat. Lift your feet and keep posture tall. 1 to 2 minutes a day is enough. Weight shifting. You take thousands of steps daily, but how many are balanced? Shuffling is often the first sign of declining mobility. It happens when the brain loses confidence in shifting weight between legs. Weight shifting restores that natural rhythm. It strengthens the core, improves ankle and knee stability, and rebuilds the brain-body connection that says, "I trust my legs again." People who practice weight shifting walk faster and feel safer in unpredictable environments. To do it, stand behind a chair, shift all weight onto one leg, lift the opposite foot slightly, hold, then switch. Go slow and aim to rely less on your hands over time. Single leg stand. If you can't stand on one leg for 10 seconds, your fall risk rises dramatically. But this is not about age. It is a trainable skill and one of the best predictors of lifelong mobility. Daily life constantly puts you on one leg, climbing stairs, stepping over obstacles, putting on pants. This movement strengthens ankles, hips, and deep core muscles while boosting balance control. One major study even linked single-leg balance to lower mortality risk. To do it, stand near support, shift weight onto one leg, lift the other slightly, and hold 10 to 20 seconds. Switch sides. Try closing your eyes once you improve. Heel-to-toe walk. As we age, our steps get wider, slower, and less controlled. It feels safer, but weakens our stability. The heel-to-toe walk brings back precision and strengthens tiny stabilizer muscles in the feet and legs. Therapists use it to detect balance issues because it reveals how well your body coordinates controlled steps. To do it, stand near a wall, step forward with your heel touching your opposite toe, then repeat slowly. Take 4 to 6 steps with tall posture. Pillow squats. If standing up from soft chairs or low couches feels harder, this movement is essential. Pillow squats train the ability to rise, one of the most important skills for independence. Sitting and standing activate your legs, core, and stabilizers, but many people begin avoiding the movement as it gets harder. Pillow squats safely rebuild strength and restore confidence. To do it, sit on cushions on a chair, lean slightly forward, push through your heels to stand, then sit back down slowly. Start with 5 to 10 reps and reduce pillow height as you improve. Backward stepping. Most people never intentionally practice stepping backward, yet we do it constantly in daily life. Backward stepping requires more control and awareness than stepping forward. Practicing it improves reaction speed, balance, walking confidence, and even cognitive function. To do it, face a counter, step 1 foot back, then the other for a few steps. Turn and repeat. Lift your feet, keep posture upright, and practice 1 to 2 minutes daily. Balance isn't lost with age, it fades when we stop using it. And that means you can rebuild it with intentional movement. These exercises aren't about working out, they're about preparing your body for real life. Turning, stepping, rising, reacting, recovering. Walking into a room with confidence. Climbing stairs without hesitation. Dancing at your granddaughter's wedding. Waking up knowing your body is strong. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes a day. So ask yourself, which movement do you need the most? Which one surprised you? Which one felt like your wake-up call? Share it in the comments. Remember, you are not too old, your balance is not gone, and you are not stuck. With the right movements, you can become stronger, steadier, and more confident than ever at any age.